Welcome students. Today we are going to read poem Rain on the Roof. In previous class we have discussed Code Skinny and today we are going to read poem Rain on the Roof. Stanza 1. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreaming fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Now, in memory comes my mother as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now, there are some hard words we have to discuss. First, humid means wet. Hover means remain in place in the air. Starry means full of stars. Sphere, a solid figure that is completely round with every point at an equal distance from the center. Melancholy means sad. Bliss means happiness. Cottage means a small hut. Chamber means room. Patter, a sound of drops. Overhead, above head. Tinkle means ringing sound. Echo means reflected sound. Dreamy refers to dream-like. Fancies, imagination. Recollections, memories. Weave, pattern of weaving. Woof means word to describe a sound. Agon, pastime. Dreamer, one who dreams. Ere, before. Dawn, early morning. Fond look, loving gaze. Shingles, small round stones. Dreamer, one who dreams. Ere, before dawn. Ere means before. Weave means patter of weaving. Woof, what to describe a sound. Agon, pastime. Dreamer, one who dreams. Ere, before. Dawn, early morning. Fond look, loving gaze. Shingles, small round stones. Now, I am explaining stanza 1. Here, explanation. In this stanza, the poet says that stars of the sky are not visible, being covered by clouds. He says that the darkness is making him sad and reflective, and the rain also only thing that can bring joy to the poet into curl up with a pillow in the bed of a rural cottage. Though the rooms of the cottage may be small and ill-equipped, the sound of raindrops can enable him to recover from his sad and gloomy mood. Now, in first stanza, there are so many hard words. These words are humid shadows, clouds. Humid shadows you are looking in first line. Hover means hang. Starry spheres. In second line, starry spheres means stars. After that, melancholy in third line means sad. Bliss, utmost joy. Bliss means utmost joy. It is in fourth line. And now after that, cottage chamber. Cottage chamber is in fifth line. It means cottage chamber means room in a cottage. After that, patter. Patter means sound of rain falling on the roof. Overhead. Overhead means above. Stanza 2 explanation. In this stanza, the poet describes how the raindrops make a tinkling sound as they fall on the shingles of the roof. Each sound made by the rain is repeated the next instance by the beating of his heart. What he has only been imagining till now starts appearing before his eyes as he is listening to the soft and continuous falling of the raindrops on his roof. All his memories come back to him, but they are not discrete and separated from each other. Instead, these memories have formed a patchwork by becoming entwined with one another. The memories are large in numbers and have framed a cluster in his mind. In stanza 2, there are some hard words. Look at these hard words. Like here it is given tinkle. Tinkle means ringing sound. After that, shingles. Shingles means rectangular tiles used on sloping roofs. Shingles means rectangular tiles used on sloping roofs. Echo. Echo means reverberation. Reverberation. Dreamy fancies into busy being. Imaginary stories in mind. Recollections. Memories. Air threads means dreamy memories. Interwove, become entwined. Become entwined. Stanza 3 explanation. In this stanza, the poet describes the first memory that he can actually identify among the patchwork of his memories. He remembers that during his childhood, his mother used to look at him and his siblings as they were sleeping and having pleasant dreams. His mother would make a point to look at them every night, for she knew she would not see them again till the next morning. His mother would bend down and watch over him. In particular, these memories are evoked as he listens to the repetitive rhythm of the raindrops as they are falling on his roof. There are some hard words. In memory comes means I remember. Agon. Agon means gone by. Regard. Regard means observe. Regard means observe. The darling dreamers. The darling dreamers means her sleeping children. Ere means before. Dawn. Dawn means morning. List, listen. Refrain, part of song that is repeated, played upon the sound coming due to rain falling on. Okay, explanation completed.